Good morning, dear children. Today we will continue with our lesson, The Land of Snow. This is the part 2 of this video, of this chapter. Now today we will see the life of the people, what their occupations are and what are the cities in Greenland. Now first of all, let us see the life of the people there. Yesterday I have told you that the people who live in Greenland, that the original inhabitants, they are known as Inuits. Inuits are also known as Eskimos. This picture here shows the Eskimos, or you can call them Inuits. They generally came from North America and afterwards they settled here many years ago. And over a time, they adapted themselves to this harsh climate, the extreme cold climate in Greenland. Now let us talk about the physical appearance of Inuits. Inuits are short and stout. Short, they are short in height, and stout means they are a bit healthy. They have flat faces, narrow eyes, and copper yellow skin. So their faces are flat, their eyes are narrow, that means small eyes, and the skin color is copper yellow. That means you can call that the skin is a little pale in color. They wear clothes made from the skin of seal. Seal, yesterday I have shown you the picture of seal in the video. So they used to wear clothes which are made from the skin of seal because the skin of seal keep them warm. They wear jackets which are known as parkas, which are having hoods to cover their head. They also generally wear double trousers and high boots, so that which are made up of skin of seal again, and these things keep them warm. Now let us talk about the houses of the Eskimos. The people who live in the extreme north build snow houses or igloos. They use large blocks of ice to construct igloos. The igloos are dome shaped. Dome shaped means they are of semicircular. A hole is made in the center of the dome to allow smoke and hot air to pass through. So when they make a dome shaped igloo, they made a hole in the center of the dome so that whatever the smoke of the chimney and chulas are there, or whatever the hot air is there, that can pass through the center of the igloo. The floor is covered with the skins and furs of animals to keep it warm. During summers, people live in tents made up of animal skin, which is also known as tow pigs. The tent houses in summer, they are known as tow pigs. In recent years, people have started living in modern houses. Though there are people in Greenland which live in igloos, but because of the technology, people have started to live in modern houses also. The Inuits are hard-working people. They are also very cheerful and hospitable. Cheerful means of good nature, of happy nature, and hospitable means they are very good host. If somebody comes to our house and we welcome them nicely, we treat them nicely, that is known as hospitable. So they are hardworking, cheerful, and hospitable. The Inuits live by hunting, fishing, and gathering roots during the summer and the spring season. So Inuits basically, because no crops can be grown in Greenland, so they used to hunt, they used to do fishing, and they used to gather roots. Gather root means they used to pull out some roots which they can eat, like carrots, potatoes. These are some of the examples of roots. So they gather roots so that in the summer and spring season, because in these seasons some flowers or plants used to grow in Greenland. In extreme cold winters, nothing grow there. So they used to collect, gather some things to eat in summer and spring only. Nowadays, they can by goods brought in from other countries. Now, because globalization is there, because technology is there, so they can purchase some things from out of the countries. They import something from out of the countries and use them also. Now, let us talk about the occupation of the people. The Inuits are skilled fishermen and hunters. Skilled means that they are perfect at this art of fishing and hunting. They hunt animals for their meat, skin, and fat. Earlier, they used harpoons to hunt animals. Now they use automatic rifles. So in the picture, you can see the harpoon. Harpoon is the a spear-like weapon which is tied with a rope and which is used to hunt whales. So in the picture, you can see it's a spear kind of a weapon with a rope attached to it. It is used for hunting whales in the sea. Now, boats which are used in Greenland. Different kinds of boats are used in Greenland for different purposes. Let us see them. Kayaks. Kayaks are small boats which are used to hunt sea animals. So when they are going for fishing, Inuits use these kayaks. Umiak. Umiaks are these some broader boats which are used to hunt whales because these whales are big sea creatures. So umiak is used so that because they are broader, so that they can hunt and keep the whales in their boats as well. Umiaks are also used for transportation. For transporting one thing from another, one place to another, they use umiaks because umiaks we can load and unload more material because of the size of the umiaks. On land, Inuits use sledges because Greenland is covered with ice. On land, Inuits use sledges to go from one place to another. These days, they use motorboats and motor sledges also because technology is developing. They also use motorboats in seas and oceans, and they use sledges which is motorized on land. Nowadays, many people work in mines and oil fields. Also, many people have migrated to towns and cities. So, because some development is there in the coastal regions, people used to work in mines and oil fields, and some people have migrated. Migrated means moved from one place to another. That's so some people have migrated to towns and cities also. Now, let us see the cities. The thick sheet of ice has restricted settlements to the coastal areas only. There are very few large towns in Greenland. Not much population is there. Nuuk, or the other name of Nuuk is Gotthab, is the capital of Greenland. It is the city. Nuuk or Gotthab is the city. So it is the capital of Greenland. It is also the largest city in Greenland. So Nuuk is the capital as well as the largest city in Greenland. Sisimiut and Ilulissat are the other big cities. The total population of Greenland is about 5,600. So there very less population is here and not much cities are there. Hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching.